Creative Kids channel.
What's your name?
My name is Emma.
How old are you?
I am 7 years old.
Where are you from?
I am from Canada.
Where do you live?
I live in Toronto.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat cereal and milk.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 8 p.m.
Do you brush your teeth every day?
Yes, I brush my teeth every day.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother.
What's your mom's name?
Her name is Sarah.
What's your dad's name?
His name is John.
How many people are in your family?
There are 4 people in my family.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat.
What do you like to do for fun?
I like to play games.
Do you like to draw?
Yes, I love to draw.
What's your favorite book?
My favorite book is Green Eggs and Ham.
Do you like to play outside?
Yes, I love to play outside.
Can you ride a bike?
Yes, I can ride a bike.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
Do you like vegetables?
Yes, I like carrots.
Can you cook?
I can help in the kitchen.
What's your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is apple juice.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I love ice cream.
What's the weather like today?
It's sunny today.
Do you like rainy days?
No, I don't like rainy days.
What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is summer.
Do you like snow?
Yes, I love snow.
Is it hot in summer?
Yes, it's very hot in summer.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I like to travel.
Have you been to the beach?
Yes, I have been to the beach.
What's your favorite place to visit?
My favorite place is Disneyland.
Do you like the mountains?
Yes, I like the mountains.
Do you travel with your family?
Yes, I travel with my family.
Do you like school?
Yes, I like school.
What's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is math.
Who's your teacher?
My teacher is Mrs. Smith.
What's your favorite thing to learn about?
I like to learn about animals.
Do you have many friends at school?
Yes, I have many friends at school.
Do you have a tablet?
Yes, I have a tablet.
Do you play video games?
Yes, I play video games.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, I watch TV.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I like shopping.
What's your favorite store?
My favorite store is a toy store.
Do you go shopping with your parents?
Yes, I go shopping with my parents.
Do you like buying toys?
Yes, I love buying toys.
Do you eat healthy food?
Yes, I eat fruits and vegetables.
Do you sleep well?
Yes, I sleep well.
How often do you play outside?
I play outside every day.
Do you wash your hands before eating?
Yes, I wash my hands before eating.
Do you like to run and play?
Yes, I love to run and play.
Who's your favorite cartoon character?
My favorite cartoon character is Mickey Mouse.
How many languages do you know?
I know 2 languages.
What's your native language?
My native language is English.
Do you like chocolate or vanilla?
I like chocolate.
Do you prefer cats or dogs?
I prefer dogs.
Do you like reading or drawing?
I like drawing.
Do you like candy?
Yes, I love candy. Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, subscribe Innovative Kids channel. Don't forget to like and share the video.